vlog. Today I'm going to be talking all about clip-in hair extensions. This is a 3-part video talking about all about clip-in extensions. So if you guys are interested to install clip-in extensions or just learn more about the extensions, definitely continue watching. I'm going to be splitting up this video into 3 parts, and the first part is going to be how to find the right hair extensions and different qualities in hair. The first key as a client is what the client is wanting in their hair. For instance, if their hair is very fine and they just want more volume, then you can maybe get away with just having a couple bundles in your hair. If you do have short, thick hair, you're probably gonna need a lot more bundles in your hair, a lot more wefts. So just trying to figure out what extension is best for your hair type. Another key is textured hair. If you have extremely curly hair and you wear it curly for most of the time, you kind of want to think about the realistic of having hair extensions. Most hair extensions are straight. You can also wave them and curl them, add heat to them. So if you do have curly hair, maybe taking a miniature barrel curling iron and just giving those little tight curls to achieve more of like that curly look. Some brands offer curly hair extensions, some brands don't, but if they don't, you can also just take a small little curling iron, curl them very tightly, and just kind of keep it styled like that, so that way when you pop the extensions in your hair, it can blend with your natural hair texture. If you have naturally straight hair, most extensions will blend perfectly with your hair.